Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple and natural way you can heal your feet from cracks and any kind of splits on your feet. If you have wounds on the soles of your feet, this simple remedy is going to help heal you of those cracks, leaving your feet soft, smooth and tender. If this is your first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video interesting and useful, share with your friends and loved ones. If you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. Only ingredient we're needing for this simple remedy is sesame oil. Sesame oil is rich in antibacterial properties, is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, is also rich in antifungal properties that is going to help fight any kind of infection or inflammation on the soles of your feet. Sesame oil is going to help prevent any kind of problems on your feet. It's going to create a protective layer around your feet, making it impossible for any kind of disease or infection to grow on your feet. Sesame oil contains magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, iron. It's also very rich in unsaturated fat. There's no too much stress in it, and it's just this oil you need to keep your feet soft and very tender. The first thing you're going to do is soak your feet in warm water with salt. You pour warm water into a bucket and add salt to it. Then you soak your feet into the water. When the soles of your feet are soft, then you just go ahead and wash it off. After that, you go ahead and apply this oil on your feet. Just 1 tablespoon will be okay. So guys, after you're done washing your feet, you pat dry your feet, then you apply this like I'm doing so, then you massage it all over your feet. Make sure you massage every area of your feet, the heels, the sole, in between your toes. You just massage this oil into it, just like that. You massage for 10 minutes. This remedy is most effective at night. You do this last thing before bedtime. After your shower, you've washed your feet, you just go ahead and massage this oil on your feet. Then you put on a socks to keep the moist, to keep the nutrients from the oil to your feet, to keep your feet warm and tender until morning. So when you wake up in the morning and you pull off the socks, you realize a very soft, supple and tender heels. You realize the cracks are all gone and it's healing, it's already closing up. So you just have to do this daily for about a week to get an excellent result. Then when you're having your shower in the morning, you just go ahead and wash it off. You repeat it the following night continuously for a week. So guys, this is all there is I have to show you in this video. If you found it useful and interesting, share it with your friends and loved ones. If you liked it, give us a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.